artists, and welcome to Create It Christy. I'm Miss Christy, and today our art project is going to be based on a book called The Umbrella by Lisa Lebedevioch. And I probably said your name wrong, and I'm sorry, Lisa. And this is a sample of the artwork you will be drawing today. First, let's learn about a little boy named Sebastian who decides to face his fears and come out from under the umbrella. The Umbrella by Lisa Lebedevioch. There once was a boy named Sebastian who discovered a little gray rain cloud floating above his head. He did not know where it came from or how it got there, but he did know he did not like getting wet. So he found a big umbrella to carry just in case it rained. And here he is with his doggie, and he found a big red umbrella, and here you can see the little rain cloud over his head. Everywhere Sebastian went, the rain cloud went, and so did his big umbrella. Why do you think this little rain cloud is following Sebastian everywhere? You may be right. That's some great ideas. Let's find out. The umbrella kept him safe and dry from the little cloud, but it made it hard for him to play games and meet new friends. He's even riding the bus with this umbrella. But the upside is that he never had to share a seat on the bus. But then he never had anyone to talk to or trade sandwiches with. Do you think he would like to have somebody to talk to and trade sandwiches with? He wondered if the rain cloud would ever go away. Until one day he stumbled across a little girl reading in the grass. There he is. Look, his little umbrella's red, and so is her hair. Hello, she said, looking up at him. Sebastian smiled under his umbrella. Hello, he said back shyly. I'm reading a book about comets. Have you ever seen a comet? The little girl asked. No, said Sebastian, trying to remember the last time he even saw the sky. Would you like to see one? I'd like to, but I can't, said Sebastian, pointing to his big umbrella. Why are you carrying that umbrella, she asked. To keep me safe from the little gray rain cloud, Sebastian explained. What cloud? It's a beautiful day. There isn't a cloud in sight, she said cheerfully. And slowly Sebastian peeked out from under his umbrella, and sure enough, the cloud was gone. Look, there's no cloud, and there's a beautiful sun and his little doggie. That night he put away his umbrella back in the closet, and he met the little girl in the park. They sat together for hours, looking up at the stars, sharing stories and trading sandwiches like new friends do. So, what do you think Sebastian was scared of? Why did he keep going around with that umbrella over his head? And what did that little rain cloud represent? We're going to talk about more of Sebastian and his umbrella during our art project. To get started, you need an 8.5 by 11 cardstock, a pencil, and I like these sticky erasers. They're better for erasing pencil when you're done. All the supplies that we're using in this project are going to be listed underneath in the description, so you can have your supplies ready to go. Okay, let's get started drawing our little character under the umbrella. To begin with, you're going to have your paper vertically, which is up and down. Horizontally, it's more side to side. So we like to call vertical hamburger style because it's stacked like a hamburger. But horizontal would be hot dog because it's long like a hot dog. So today we're using vertical hamburger style. All right, project, we're going to begin by drawing a U at the bottom of the page. We don't want to be too close to the bottom because we want to have room to draw our cloud. So lightly draw your U, and now you're going to flip it over, and that's your umbrella. To complete your umbrella, you're going to add 2 dots to the middle of the blank space where your U is. So you're going to go 1, 2. And then you're going to draw an arch that's going to connect to that dot, another arch connecting to the next dot, and from here an arch connecting to the other side. And that's your umbrella. I said lightly draw it because if you want to go back and do a little better shape for your umbrella, you can, which I'm going to do. More like an umbrella, right? Okay, so on top you're going to draw a little circle that right in the middle of your umbrella. So that's the top of your umbrella. From there you're going to draw one line and you're going to curve it and connect it to that first dot. Same. Now you're going to take it again, draw another curved line from your middle of your umbrella, curve it, and connect it to your other dot. And that is your umbrella. From there, you can draw your little cloud over your umbrella just by making a lot of little curves. Kind of like a bunch of rainbows connected together, if you see. Right? Good. If I'm going too fast, you can always pause the video until you've caught up and then start it back again. And you can always rewind it if you miss something and play it until you are caught up. All right, so in my original drawing, I drew a little girl. You can see here. You can draw a little girl or a little boy. If you're going to draw a little girl, from under the umbrella, you're going to draw a triangle, the bottom of a triangle. If you're going to draw a little boy, you need to draw a square. And then from there, you're going to draw another square. These are his legs. Might be a little too big of legs. And then you'll draw a circle, an oval, and another oval, and those are his feet. And then you can do a line for his socks. All right, so now he has legs, pants, and this is his shirt. All right, so for the umbrella, you need the handle. In that, you're going to draw 2 J's. 1 J, another J, and then you can connect them. That's your handle. Okay, so your little character needs to hold the umbrella. So you can draw a little circle and then a line for the arms, for his little arm. There you go. And there's the arm, the feet, his legs. That's like the body. If you want to, you can add stripes to his little shirt. And right now our little character is just floating on the page, and we don't want him floating in outer space. We need to ground him. So to ground him, all we need to do is to draw a line towards the bottom of the page. And now he's standing on the ground. And that's how we grounded him. Alright, now you can add some little lines, a little squiggly line to make it look like grass. If you want to, you can draw some flowers with just a couple circles. If it's further back here, your flower would be smaller because it's further away. But the flower closer to the bottom will be closer up to your face, so that would be bigger. And then in the sky, okay, so in your little cloud up here, you're going to write something that maybe you're scared of or a fear that you want to face. Like Sebastian, and he seemed to be scared of coming out from under his umbrella because he was scared to meet new people. But he finally met someone, and he came out from under that cloud and he made a friend. So I wrote doctor in my cloud because sometimes going to the doctor can be scary. You don't know what's going to happen, but they're there to make you feel better. And once you go and you feel better, it's not scary at all. So you're going to write what you're scared of in your little cloud, and then you're going to face that fear and come out from under your umbrella. Great job. Once you get your drawing done, you're going to come back and trace everything in a black Sharpie. Now I'm going to fast forward this so you can pause the video until you get to the point where you're ready to start to color. All right, good job, you did it. We're all done with the Sharpie. Once you finish tracing your artwork with your Sharpie, you're going to take your eraser and you're going to erase all your pencil marks. That's why we draw lightly with the pencil, because we're not going to keep those pencil marks. We're going to erase them. Now all right, great job, you did it. Now we've erased all of our pencil markings and we're going to color our little character. Now remember, I said we're going to use cool colors because we want to set a mood, and cool colors kind of set the mood of being frightened or scared, and that's what our character is scared to come out from the umbrella. But remember, you wrote what you were scared of in your cloud, and once you're done with this artwork, you're going to face your fear. So to begin with, we're going to color our umbrella, and we're going to use color pencils to do that. Again, I'm going to have the supply list in the description below. There will also be links for the products, and those are affiliate links, just to let you know if you click on or buy any of those supplies. And thank you for helping support me and the channel by doing that. Okay, so in my one character I drew, I colored the umbrella like a purplish pink color, but I think for this character I'm going to go for a dark blue umbrella. Now here's a little hint. Make sure that you have a nice smooth clean surface under your artwork, because like there's a little mark there. If you don't, it'll show up when you color it with these color pencils. Alright, you're going to start coloring it, and you can use any color of the cool colors, any kind of blues, purples, greens that you want. You can even take different shades of blue and blend them. So this is a darker blue, but maybe I want to use more of like this teal blue and blend it in there and make a different color. And you can do that with color pencils. You can blend them and make all kinds of colors. All right, so I'm going to let you color your umbrella, and while we do this, I will fast forward again, and you can pause until you catch up and you're ready for the next step.
You have now completed your drawing that will help you face your fear.
Great job today, artists. You did it. You completed your artwork. I cannot wait to see all the great artwork that was made with this project today. Make sure you comment below, like, and subscribe, and I want to know what fears you decided to face. And remember, if you can imagine it, we can create it. Thank you. Come back again.